I'm Scott Dent. I own RC Dent Construction along with Brian Mortensen, and we are custom home builders that do a design build. At RC Dent Construction, we're a little bit different. Our niche is custom homes. We've been around since 1972. My father started the company, and I've grown up in the business, and our niche really is for those that want to have a more personalized experience as we go through the process.
My name is Brian Mortensen. I am one of the owners of RC Dent Construction. This is our 2022 parade home for this year. Our clients came to us, actually had been through and they're one of our parade homes in the past. And we designed this house hand in hand with them, along with a leaka design with Kelsey. She's a lot of fun to work with.
Working with and designing this parade home with RC Dent this year was seamless. It's the best experience. They always are willing to create and execute design concepts that I'm able to present, and the way their subs and the management and the way they oversee things is just beautiful. They truly care about how the quality of their homes and what they're building.
So coming into the home, I think it's pretty inviting. One of my favorite features is right here behind me, the fireplace with the black metal inlaid with the walnut. Downstairs, we were able to put together with the homeowner and with Kelsey, the theater room. There's some family significance that dates back, and they've enjoyed that process, designing the doors and the features in the walls. It even has a name. We do design build from the get-go. The homeowners are involved, very hands-on with the actual design of the home, how everything lays out room to room. We always have a weekly meeting to just get the wheels turning and make sure everything is on schedule and all the T's are getting crossed, all the I's are getting dotted. Kelsey's awesome at making sure that their voice is heard throughout the process.
The team's the most important thing. People come through the parade of homes, they come through your home, and they sit there and say, "Oh, you did such a great job." And to be honest with you, I can't take the credit. It's in everybody's hands. It's imperative that you have a good team.
With RC Dent, we collaborate and we work together closely to make sure that everything is done perfectly and executed the way that it's presented, and that the client is happy with the end result.
We love what we are able to do here at RC Dent Construction. We enjoy the process, getting to know the homeowners, becoming friends with them, and being able to make that dream come to life.
To be honest with you, I don't know if I would really trade doing this. I have done this my whole life. I grew up in the trades, and I love doing what I do because at the end of the day, we get to drive by houses that we built 30 years ago, and I get to show people that that's my work. So, and to see people smile on their face when they come in and realize that their dreams have come true, it's amazing for me.